Hello everyone, Professor Thompson here. It is June 20th and I just have a couple thoughts to share with you today for my NET 03 and my NET 16 internet courses for this summer. Unit number 2 is coming to a close tomorrow on June 21st, and so you want to make sure you have your speeches uploaded by 11:30. Make sure you take care of that. As you record and upload those, make sure you're verifying your audience. Make sure that you are in a public place. I need to account for the fact that you have 8 people watching your specific speech and that you are in fact in a public place. Please don't forget that you are supposed to play 30 seconds to 1 minute of your music as part of or as built into your presentation. It should not be an afterthought to your speech. It should be incorporated into your actual message. 4 people in the NET 03 class and 2 people in the NET 16 class have already submitted videos for this 5-week term, so kudos to those individuals who have worked ahead a little bit and have them done and recorded and uploaded. Please make sure that you are getting the videos in by 11:30 p.m. Make sure that you allow enough time if you have technical difficulties or stuff like that, because it is a hard unit deadline. You've had plenty of time at this point to record and upload all of your presentations. As you get into and dive into unit number 3, you will notice that there is a group writing assignment where you will be assigned people within the class to compose a group assignment or group paper. You can choose to complete this however you want, but this is a writing assignment. This is not a presentation assignment. Those groups are created based on who is going to be finishing the course following unit number 2. So I want to make sure that when I put you in groups, everybody who's in a group submitted a presentation for the last unit, and I know that you're moving forward into unit 3. Some of you have already worked forward into unit 3, so I know and can count you as a completer of unit 2, but again, I won't technically know until tomorrow at midnight, and so on Saturday I will post to the groups for your class. Do want to remind you that you also have 2 peer evaluations as part of unit 2. Again, you're going to need to use the peer evaluation forms that are provided in Blackboard, and then the videos are in the video tab. So this time you'll go to the video tab on the left. You'll then go to speech number 2, Musical Me, and you'll pick any 2 presentations from there to evaluate. And again, those videos in the video tab are there as reference to help you write, create, construct, deliver your own speech. It's good reference material, but then those are speeches that we use for the peer evaluations. I received a couple emails on this, and quite frankly, because I don't have permission to use everyone in this class and post your videos to a public forum for your classmates, I don't have release forms. So the reason why I have you peer evaluate former students is because I have release forms for each of those speeches, and I'm able to post those speeches on a public access site like Blackboard. So I can say that I think I've had 9 or 10 submissions for the peer evaluation so far, so I think most of you are good for unit number 2, and almost everybody completed them in unit 1. Okay, I think that's about it. Again, make sure that you are getting your outlines posted into Blackboard. Make sure that you're getting your videos posted into Blackboard. Make sure you are finishing all the modules and quizzes for each of the units. One small quick announcement about the extra credit. I just want to remind you that with the extra credit, the syllabus and the schedule both specifically say that you can complete 1 chapter for extra credit. So please do not waste your time doing multiple chapters. And I give you chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 7 to choose from. Just do 1. Don't waste your time doing all of them. You're not getting any more points for doing more. That will not happen. So what happens though, just so you know, is at the end of Unit 3, I will wipe out the actual scores for the completion of the what it says in Blackboard. So for instance, a quiz might be out of 20 points and you might have gotten an 18 out of 20. I will wipe that out and then I will put the points into the bonus column. And so Blackboard is a little screwy sometimes when it works with the Connect program, when Connect is the McGraw-Hill program. So when the McGraw-Hill and the Blackboard programs communicate, it forces me to choose a point total for the quiz value and how much it's worth. I can't put 0 so that your scores give you the bonus. I have to assign a point value. And so I have to go back and manually get rid of the quiz score and move those points into a bonus column so that it appears like you got 18 points out of 0 points. So you got 18 extra credit points or whatever. So please keep that in mind, that there will be some small tiny changes, but that's on the back end and it's an administrative thing. But you can only do 1 chapter of extra credit, and I want you to focus on your speeches. I want you to focus on completing your modules and doing the important stuff for the class. The bonus points are just simply to supplement if you need to replace a quiz that you forgot, or if you didn't do a couple modules in the first unit, things like that. So it does provide you a unique opportunity to earn really up to 50 bonus points if you are completing both the module and you get a perfect score on the quiz for that specific chapter that you've chosen. All right, keep the questions coming. If you do have questions, please contact me via email. Look forward to those questions. Hope everybody's doing well. The semester is just about over. You know, Unit 3 ends on July 1st, so we will be done before the 4th of July. Hope everybody's doing well. Continue to make progress in the class, and we'll see you soon.